All right, so I'm printing some of the middle pieces right now, but I don't have them, and I wanted to get this information because some of you have either received your Faderport enclosure or you're about ready to. So you're going to receive 4 of these. These are heavy duty Velcro, and you're going to put one here. You're going to put one there, here, and here, okay? So that's what's going to hold your Faderport so it doesn't slide forward and backwards. So it's important that you put those there. If you do that, it'll flush in their mount. It'll mount up perfectly to the side panels here. And that's what it's going to take. Okay, if you need to talk to me about anything or have any issues whatsoever, you can email me at barryjohns@artisanwoodshed.com, or you can text me at 407-492-5043, and I'll respond very quickly to you. All right, so I hope you enjoy your new enclosure, but just wanted you to understand. Now, so obviously you would remove the back adhesive and then hold it down and compress it, right? So that it really adheres to the side, this piece down below. Once you do that, then you'll take the outer on top of this, and then you'll set your Faderport down in there. Now make sure you're properly aligning it with the corner down here. And same thing on the left-hand side. You don't want to be constantly removing you don't want to be constantly moving the unit in and out of the enclosure. So you can perfectly take it out. I suggest pulling it out from the back and then going forward that way in case you need to make an adjustment to it. So hopefully this makes sense to you. And again, if you have any questions, just reach out to me. Thanks.